Hello and welcome back. Not sure what happened. Not sure what happened. But hi and welcome back. Welcome back. Hi and welcome back. Not sure what happened, but we're here and we are building apps. Orbit. Nope, I got that wrong. Villain, hero, speed, mask. Oh, I almost got it, dude. It was gonna be a Nimbus. Guava? Giga, god damn it, dude. It's like it's like this. It's like when you're 1 second too slow, and you're like, I could have had that. I hope you guys don't mind. Oops. Oh, thank God I didn't keep bending that. That would have been bad. Okay, just standing, just taking a little break, and I'm standing. Oh no! Damn it, dude. How am I supposed to like? How am I supposed to know some of these words? Yeah, I look. I know I made the game, but that's like I already showed you. The words are like over here, man. Okay, the words are like. How are you supposed to know all these words? Ooh, I just came. I just got an idea for another app, but we gotta release this one first. A Shih Tzu, Blue, Milk, Eiffel, uh, uh, brain freeze, Sumo, Sumo. Oh, I almost clicked on. Dolphin. Oh my God, dude. This is embarrassing, bro. Gluttony, deceit, greed, anger. Yes. Canal, sea, pond, stream, shield, sword, knight, and and queen. That would have been embarrassing. Trunk, bumper, light, window. I hate how fast that is because it just you know what? Like, what can we do about that, guys? What can we do about that, guys? Apart from creating like a wait function where you literally force it to wait a second, I don't really know. No. Okay, let's pause. Look, we're in expert mode. We can't. Oh, look, technically you could cheat, right? You could pause it every single time. Okay? Look, I'm giving you pro level tips here. Okay? I'm giving you pro level tips here how to look like way better. You could like do that, like get your score up really, really high, get it to like super expert and be like, this is so easy. Like anybody could do this. Then you give it to them, and they're like, "Fuck!" you're like, you're like, dude, how am I supposed to do this? Right? You know, isn't that funny? Okay, so now, like, I low key hate how this acts the same as this. It acts the same, bro. Take that back. It acts the same, bro, and I don't know why. For this code. Yes we use AI over here. Okay. But it doesn't mean we don't know what's going on. Obviously. Obviously we know what's going on. You kind of have to care about this stuff. Like otherwise you kind of like I'm going to just say this. I don't think and this is the most controversial thing I'm going to say and someone's going to be like, "No, he doesn't know what he's talking about." But I'm going to say this. I don't think vibe coding gets you anywhere. I mean, in general, like just think about the idea. Like, imagine you vibe coded something, right? And you don't have any comments on there, right? And then and you have no experience on what you coded, right? That's not sustainable. That's not something you can maintain. You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? I'm just giving you my 2 cents. My 2 cents is uh learn how stuff works first, like learn the basics. And that way if someone tries to like hurt you with like, "Oh, you don't know anything because you're just a person who doesn't know anything." Like if someone tries to play that game with you, you're like, "Okay, but I still know." Like you, it doesn't bother you. This is what I'm trying to say here. Not everything should bother you. Think about that. Not everything should bother you. Now, yeah, that's my iPad. Okay, let's just like tone it down a little. I was gonna reduce, reduce. Ooh, look, I look so creepy now. Actually, maybe I should stream like this. I'll stop. Ooh, that's even creepier. I'm just trying to find some good lighting. Let's see. I'm blue. I'm blue now. I think that's better. I like this better. Okay. Let's see here. So we're still trying to fix one tiny bug. It's a cute one. Don't worry. It's a cute bug. The best bugs are cute. Um, the worst bugs, the worst bugs are not freaking cute, dude. The worst, you wanna know what the worst bugs are? You got a semicolon instead of a colon somewhere. Or you got a period. Or you got a type. Or you got a B where a D is supposed to go. It's a syntax error. Now you gotta go through all your code, try to find that one issue, and you might never find it. Okay, that's dramatic, but like you're gonna be spending more time than you wish. You're gonna relearn everything, right? You're gonna be there like, oh, like okay, what is a method? Okay, what does this do again? This the for a for loop. Does it actually like go, like for this and that and you, like I'm just giving you ideas here. Like you're gonna go through and question everything. So yeah, it's those are not cute bugs at all. Like look, I got that right first try. It's pretty cool. Uh, I don't know any of these guys. It was a spice. I know what coriander is. I know what coriander is. Um, boom. Nylon, acrylics, spandex. What the fuck is rayon, bro? Bro. Pause. Pause. The expert. Look, the expert mode. It's got me questioning my life right now. Okay, expert mode got me questioning my life right now. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we are still live on everything. That's a good thing. That's a great thing. So, still trying to fix that thing because we don't give up over here. That's one thing you gotta know about us. We do not give up. We do not give up. Neither should you. Hard work pays off eventually. Or it just doesn't ever pay. Or it just doesn't ever. Hey, okay. Uh, okay. Case is timing versus widget life cycle. So let me tell you what we're working on right now. So we got this interstitial ad, which we already did some stuff with. So now it pauses. We had to make a on called open. See, that's new. We had to put in a new parameter on ad opened. So we send that back if it's opened. It pauses the game. Simple stuff, right? Nice. And now our issue is this little line of code. So that little line of code, I was curious. I was like, what is that? What what is a microtask? I've never used a microtask. And then I looked it up and it's pretty much a safe way to show the ad on initialization without build errors. So it's like, but it's instant. It's like as soon as the widget is ready to be shown, it's going to show up right away. So that's not really a good thing for any of us. So we're trying to figure that out. Now, let me tell you, sorry about that. Let me tell you the solutions that we have that are available right now. So, uh, this line of code acts very similar. They act very similar. I'm just gonna put them next to each other, okay? Because I'm here to learn, you're here to learn too. We're gonna learn together. So over here, these two lines of code are acting in the same way because it's timing versus widget lifecycle. Let me explain. Why future dot delayed isn't giving a visible delay. The code you put inside the inside the on loaded callback, that callback happens after the ad is already loaded, which is usually after a few milliseconds, maybe even instantly if the ad loads very fast. Future.delay.3 seconds schedules the callback to run 3 seconds after the ad finishes loading. But if the ad is loaded before your game screen even finishes building, you may not notice the difference, especially if you're also triggering show when ready timeout somewhere else. In contrast, future micro task schedules immediately after the current synchronous work, so it's instant. Uh, so if your ad is already ready, as soon as the widget builds, both methods can feel instant from the user's perspective, and that's the problem. So the correct way to guarantee a delay before showing the ad, if you want the ad to appear after a pause of 3 to 5 seconds, no matter how fast it loads, here's the pattern. We've tried that. Unfortunately, we've already tried that. Optional. Okay, always check mounted in async callbacks. Do not call show when ready when timeout inside. It can override the timing. This ensures the ad shows exactly after the delay once the ad is ready. Um, Optional. Combine delay plus wait until ad is ready. This might be what is better. Waits 3 seconds first, then adds up to 5 seconds for ad to load. Guarantees user sees a pause before the ad, even if. Let's try that. Okay, we're gonna try this. Um, yeah, let's try this out, guys. Let's give it a shot. What's the worst thing that could happen? Right? We just burn everything just gets burned to the ground. It just gets burned to the ground, and then we build it back up again, and then burn it back, and we keep doing that on as many times as it takes to get there. So this should be more noticeable. So we're just gonna play it until we get to an ad. And shield, knight, sword. Bee, wasp, moth, skull, smile, grin. Aha. Tuba, trumpet, flute. Mm, I can't believe I got that right. Prose, drama, poetry, sci-fi. Croc, snake, gecko, turtle. Eh. Do you see how fast it loaded this thing again? Like nothing works, is what I'm trying to tell you. Like the app is very snappy for no reason. All right, let's guitar, sitar, smell, taste, touch, feel. Manager, CEO, sales, accountant. Ragdoll, Ebison. Patch, blank, rum, jolly. Pirates. Monday, Sunday, Friday, Tuesday. Bro, it's instant. See, like, why does it feel worse when the ad loads faster? Like I know I should be like, man, I'm so happy that my app is so optimized and da da da. No, I'm not that type. It's good that it's optimized, but it's optimized because we made it that way, you know. But and it's pretty simple. Like the best apps to work on are apps that are one page. Like this is a one page app. You open it and it goes straight into the game. You leave it, it closes the game. It's one page. Now, the issue with stuff like that is like, how do you monetize one page? How do you monetize one page? Because realistically, I can't sell skins on here, right? What else? I can't like, oh, maybe, oh, actually, but that's kind of greedy. You see what I'm saying? I could set it up in a system where it's like, oh, you already have all of these puzzles over here, right? Now you can unlock them. Unlock, like that's what greedy companies do. And it works, but I'm not greedy and I kind of do this because I like it. you know, I like to program. I know that's weird. I know that's weird, but I enjoy it. I enjoy it. So yeah, English browser, Sphere, coffee. Oh, let's check Reddit. Maybe people said mean things to us and that's what got our stream closed. Let's see. Wow. Oh, we're still live on YouTube. That's a miracle. Okay. That's a good thing. We're still live. All right. Upset. Aw. I just found an error. I just found an error. You see that? Why does it create a new game when you pause and unpause it? That's an error. That's a bug. Oh, that's a bug. It hurts my brain. I'm just kidding. All right. So the way that that's handled is we go to let's see. Let's take a look here. So is paused. What does it do when you pause? So let's go to the toggle. I know what it's doing. I know what it's doing. It's doing this. It's generating a new puzzle for sure when it's not supposed to. So let's just track this down. Okay. You see that? It's right here when it's paused. So excuse me for my language. Not for my language. But yeah, you see that right there? You see that right there? No. So is paused. If is paused, play sound updated to generate. It should never generate a new puzzle if it's being paused. I'm gonna keep it real with you. Okay? It should never generate a new. Well, I remember the reason why I did that. That's actually a feature. So let's go ahead and just comment that and be like, let's put the reason why we're doing that. Okay. The reason we do that is because you could technically cheat, right? So, like, if I remove this, it's so funny that this one line of code is like stopping people. But it's just because when you pause, you can see the words and you'd be like, all right, let me unpause and then see. But so let's go ahead and I'm just gonna comment and I'll be like, uh, pausing can be used to cheat, generate. I've been muted the whole time. I've been muted the whole freaking time. I've been muted the whole time. This is why I need people to like watch the stream. This is why I need people to watch the stream, dude. Jeez, that's not fun. Cause like, how am I supposed to make a video now? How am I supposed to make a video? Oh my god. Whatever. I'm over it. And I think I know how I paused it. I think I know how I muted myself. Oh my god, dude. Whatever. Whatever.
Feel zen with Les Mills Yoga. Try it
Wow.
on Les Mills Plus now and get 50% off an annual
Wow.
plan.
No wonder no one watches. No, no wonder. Wow. Okay. Well, yeah, this was my first live stream of this game, and we'll be releasing this, by the way. We'll be making a little trailer for it and putting it on all my socials. So that would be TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Threads. Maybe Blue Sky. Maybe Blue Sky, why not? And then Reddit. So that's 7 right there. So someone is gonna see it. Um, hopefully. Sunny.